just went 2 over, 1 under. So then I'm going to come back and I'm going to go 2 over, 1 under. So now I'm doing the opposite. So if you remember, every time that we go onto the next row, it should be opposite of what just happened. So I just went my 1 under. Now I need to go my 2 over, 1 under. 2 over, 1 under. And this is going to change the way that the knots look, and it's kind of going to it's going to make them look like they're shifting to the left, like our line, and then it'll come back and shift to the right again, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So we got to go we went 1 under, 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under. Again, this one is a little trickier because you're going 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So it is harder to keep track of. Again, you can start to see these opposites happening here, okay? 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under, 2 over. I get to my edge. Now I'm ending on an over, so it's perfect to end just 1 under. As I come back around, remember not to pull that too tight. 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under. Pull this through. Okay, it's starting to create a nice sort of diagonal weave is what starts to happen. So with the weaves that we had before, they scooch to the left, they scooch to the right, they scooch to the left, they scooch to the right. With the twilling, it appears as if it's going on a diagonal because you are shifting the rows each time. Because you're only going 1 under, you're actually shifting the design over 1. So again, let's go 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 over, 2 under, over, 2 under. So you can see how different this one looks compared to the others. You're getting a lot more movement in this one, a lot more diagonal movement. So I'm going to continue stitching and I'll get to the end just like I always do and tie it off since I'm just doing end to end to end. If I were to just end in the middle, let's say that I wanted to make it go here, I would just cut my string and hide my string behind my weaving. And later on we can cut that out. So that is the twilling look. It's also known as the diagonal look.